Yo, my viewers, subscribers, breaking news. So Tamale Sparta has been taken into custody a short while ago. My people, it's understood that a 9mm Glock pistol was seized during the incident in which the artist was arrested. Tamale Sparta is expected to spend the night in jail. He was arrested in the vicinity of New Kingston. Now my people, Jano, me hate for come bring them news here, especially when it involves Tamale. And we know Tamale has a lot of bad encounter with the JCF. My people, we know say how Tamale Sparta has now been in police custody more than 20 times. So it's either him salt or him there in a bag of waste people him need for job. Because one man can't salt so. One man cannot solve some of your subscribers. Me here say the man go about them business, I go back at them hotel and a bag of SWAT team and police a chill them. It come like a movie me here. When them pull over the man them find gun at the vehicle. Gun the man them find at the vehicle. So me really ask myself I say yo then Tamale, you know say the police them like you already. You know say the police them nah go stop hunting until them pin some upon you because clearly them can't find them for pin upon you. So them nah go stop and you still give the man them a reason for come off of you. My viewers, subscribers, who need to tell me wrong. Tell me if I misinterpret or what. Me need to know because Tamale can't assault. It's either him do something wrong or it come like him just need to drop some man in him circle. Really and truly. Now imagine, this is not a good look for the artist. This is not a good look for the artist. We see the last time he had lost millions in revenues. All because police have him in a custody for how long and now let him go. Now if you see this happen to him, worst case scenario, them all on him now for gun possession, illegal gun possession now. Them not let him go until them actually find some upon him. Some of you are subscribers who want to tell me. Talk to me no man. Talk to me. What Tamale are the wrong? Me need to know what Tamale are the wrong in my people because as me say, one man cannot assault. Tamale is a good artist. Tamale, him have talent. We know this. We not have to come argue about that. But if you see the man keep and get in a problem like this, it just have me puzzled. It have me worried. It don't come like you lick a baby and say, yo, don't go touch the fire. And in a matter of fact, me can't even use that in that scenario because if a fire burn a baby, me can guarantee you, say, him nah go walk at the fire there. Him nah go touch the fire. So me don't know what to use, what kind of example to use for your situation here. Because as me say, Tamale get all on more than 20 times already so far. So is it either him not here or is either him have some man run him a par where him need for job or something. Let's say yo him not do nothing but police them just offer him because we know how the system going on. You see once them try for you numerous times and them can't find on the pan you them don't look like idiot you know. So them are gonna continue. Now look at it this now my people. How can all of a sudden Tamale them go about them business and police just stop them so? Because of suspicion. And when them check, them find a 9mm pistol in a them vehicle. How coincidental that is. My viewers, subscribers, more want to know listen, you know. How coincidental that is that the man go about them business and out of nowhere police just say, you wanna go chill them man yeah, and just take a gun off of them because no of them strap. And must something not right. Somebody in the man camp where a leak or something not right to the youth them in my power and it come like Tamale nah say that. He might roll with some man where him need for drop them link. I don't know what the thing go when they come on to artists, they want street credits, they want live the life, and most of them, me nah go judge them, and most of them want to live the life where them sing. So it's like them have to have a certain type of people around them, but them not understand say a them man here get them in a problem because the way the things stay right now, no man not in a gun charge for no man. I saw the thing set right now. No man not rated enough to take a charge for you. Yeah man, I saw it go. So if you are par with a man as an artist where do the wrong thing, you must can talk to him and say, you wanna a positivity we are did right now. You don't see the situation of me in with the feds already, so I can't afford for no negative energy around me. Simple maths. My viewers, subscribers, tell me if me a chat foolishness, tell me if me a talk foolishness, because this are simple logics, simple common sense. This man here not have no luck with police, so him need to learn. My viewers, subscribers, me can't believe, but I hope them no find a charge for him. I hope the gun on a fee man. Me I hope, because as me say, family, you know what, in the position you forget Lockup and go over into the new year. It's not a good look. It's not a good look. Some of you are subscribers. As more out there, we'll cover the story as it goes by, as we always do. So watch you now. Until next time, just vibes here though. I'm out.